Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start in Settings because that's the control center for permissions. Open Settings, then tap Privacy and Security. Once there, choose Location Services at the top. This is the master switch for all apps. Make sure your phone has enough charge or is plugged in so changes save reliably. You're doing this to limit tracking and reduce background GPS use, which can improve battery life and privacy. Once you see the list of apps, you're ready for the specific toggles in the next step. Now work through the app list and decide how each one may access location. Tap an app and choose Never, Ask Next Time while using or Always. Once done with apps, open System Services at the bottom. This controls features like significant locations, emergency calls, and location-based suggestions. Make sure to disable precise location if you want coarse, city-level data instead of exact coordinates. This keeps functionality, but reduces exact tracking. Take a moment to review widgets and shortcuts that might still request location. When you're ready to block all apps, toggle Location Services off at the top. This stops app access immediately. However, if you rely on Find My or Activation Protection, leave Location Services on and instead set critical apps to while using or disable precise location. This balances privacy with safety. If changes don't stick, restart your iPhone, install any pending iOS updates, and check screen time or managed profiles that may override settings. If problems persist, contact Apple support or consult your device administrator.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.